Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new, I'm Danielle and I'm here to talk to you. So today I am going to be going over and reviewing my Vox box that I received complimentary from Influenster. Inside this Vox box is the new Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. This is the finished look, but stay tuned to find out what I thought about the product. Did I like it? Did I hate it? Will I buy it again? Stick around and watch the video and see what happens next. Here is the Vox box that I received complimentary from Influenster for testing purposes, and it is the Shiseido, the new Shiseido foundation, and I just washed my face and I haven't tested this product out yet. Here it is in here. Here's a little information about it. So it says, introducing Shiseido Makeup Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Custom Finish Powder Foundation. Breathable, blendable, and buildable coverage with a multi-dimensional effect that looks and feels like bare skin. Medium coverage, natural finish, 24-hour wear. Apply wet or dry. Active force technology, resists heat, humidity, oil, and facial movement. And it's 16 self-adjusting shades. So I looked this up on the Shiseido website and it does retail for $45. So this is what it comes in. Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing. And let's see what shade they sent me. So this is in the shade 220 Linen. This is what it looks like. It's cute. It's very like chic, like very simple. So it has a nice like mirror there, and there is the shade. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like some of it dry to see how it is. I'm sorry if you hear my dog in the background. I'm gonna do some of it dry and then I'm gonna try some of it wet as well, because I'm used to more like liquid foundation. So I'm gonna see how this works. So I washed my face and now I'm just gonna moisturize with my Garnier Skin Active 24-hour moisture cream. I use this a lot, so I know that all my other foundations work with it. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with the No Problem Primer from Touch in Soul. And I know this primer works really well too. I scooted up closer so you guys can see more up close. So I guess I'm just gonna take the white side of the sponge and I'll try it dry. I go in. Okay, I feel like it goes on there pretty good. It's very, very like not as like full coverage as I would want it. I'm gonna try it wet, and I believe it was saying for the wet side you want to spray the black part, so I'm just gonna try it and see what happens. I'm taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, just gonna spray that, go in there again. I'm just not used to powder foundation. Okay, now I'm gonna try spraying it on the white side and see what happens. I think maybe the color they sent me is not right. I don't know. I'm not really seeing how this is supposed to go. Like, it's just, to me, it just seems like a very sheer powder. I'm gonna try spraying inside of here. Maybe wetting it and seeing what happens. So I got it covered pretty good. I feel like it's kind of like clumping right here. I don't know if you can see that. I feel like this shouldn't be this difficult, applying foundation. So I'm just gonna go off camera and try to work more on this, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I got it kind of looking a little bit better. So this is just the foundation. I do find that after a while, it kind of did settle into my skin and sort of self-adjust, if that makes any sense. It doesn't look as streaky anymore. However, I really like full coverage foundation, and this just isn't full coverage for me. I mean, I do feel like it is pretty smoothing, like it's matte. I mean, my pores can get pretty big, and I feel like they don't look as big right now, but now I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do the rest of my face how I normally would with the concealer, my bronzer, and all that stuff, and then I will come back and I will show you what that looks like after I do that. Okay guys, so I'm back. I finished the rest of my face. I used the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer, and then on top of the concealer I used the Laura Mercier setting powder. I also used the Marc Jacobs Tantastic 104 bronzer, and then for blush I used the Kylie Jenner pressed powder face palette. I used this color. This is the Baddie on the Block blush. I did my eyes super quick, and so this is how the foundation looks. It's a little bit patchy right here. I'm just not impressed overall with the way my face looks right now. Even like my eyebrows and my eyeshadow and everything, I'm just not feeling it today. Final thoughts on this is maybe if it was, you know, a tad bit darker than that, it might have worked better for me. Again, I like my foundation more full coverage, and they said that this is like medium coverage. I want to say it's more like light coverage. The packaging is really pretty. I love how simple and chic it is, but for $45, it just doesn't do it for me. So those are my final thoughts. What do you guys think? Have you tried this yet? Let me know in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you click on my face when it pops up below so that you can easily subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides that pop up in case you want to watch anything else. Stick around for new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.